Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning in my hobonichi cousin health and wellness daily pages for the week of July 1st through the 7th, using some deco kits from SweetTPlans and some washi tape for our YouTube collab loop group video. Like I said, this is going to be my spread for the week of 4th of July, so I thought there was no better kit to use than SweetTPlans 4th of July kits. So I actually have two of her deco kits. This is what you get when you get just her standard deco kit with the 2 pages. So you get a sheet of functional boxes and then a sheet of deco. And this one was from last year. Both of these were from last year. This is the Freedom one. And then this one is the Magical 4th one. So I thought these were perfect to use for my daily pages. And then of course, because you guys know I can't use anything without using washi tape, I pulled some of this. I think it's from, it's an Amazon washi tape, but I got it multiple years ago. It was my first time getting washi tape from Amazon, so it's kind of like this this silver foil washi tape that I've just been trying to use up, and I thought, well, these are perfect because they're 4th of July colors, and I don't have much of it left, so I might as well use it in my 4th of July spread, because why not? So that is the kit we're using. As I mentioned, this is for our YouTube collab loop group for the stars theme. So if you are coming from our previous creator, then welcome. I'm so excited you decided to join the loop, and I hope you will stick around and see what we all came up with for our star theme. Because this is the week of 4th of July, I thought this was a good kit to use because it has that star theme. The washi tape has stars to it, and I think it's just super cute. So that is why I chose this kit and this washi tape for the theme. So if you guys are wanting to save some money off of your SweetTPlans order, you can use my code Megan24 and it will save you 25% off of your order from her website, and you will also receive my freebie. At the current time of me filming it, I do not have my current freebie with me, but this is what it looks like. It is so pretty. I love it so much, and I highly recommend you guys check her out. All right, let's go ahead and jump into this week. All right, so what we are actually going to do first is decorate this page that is on the other side of our July monthly, and you will see, I will show it a little bit later in the clip, that I am doing a less 4th of July-y color on Monday, specifically because I am going to have a spread on the other side, like an introduction kind of thing, and you'll see that when I decorate my hobonichi for the month of July. I'm doing it specifically to not have too much 4th of July in this specific spread, since the other side is going to be more summery. Then we move on to Tuesday and Wednesday, and that's when I really pull out all of the 4th of July things. I use the red and the blue washi. I add tons of different deco. I think this is just the perfect kit. I think 2 of the deco kits, or honestly an entire deco kit with the extra boxes and the date covers, which you can get, like they're called add-on sheets on SweetTPlans website, and you can get those included. I think all together without taxes and without using my code, I believe the deco kit is either $6 or $8, and then the add-on sheets themselves are like $2.50. So I think in total it's less than $15 for the entire kit, and that is without using my code. So I think it's a really, really good price for a deco kit, because this is just honestly, in my opinion, a perfect size for the kit. For this hobonichi cousin, it's perfect to add just a little bit of deco here and there to the spread. I think it's just chef's kiss. On Thursday, I am going all out with the 4th of July stickers. I specifically saved the 4th of July deco box for the 4th of July, the fireworks stickers for the 4th of July, and of course the 4th of July deco script for the 4th of July. I thought it was just a perfect fit. And of course I had to use red, white, and blue on either page because, you know, 4th of July, celebrating independence in America. So I had to do all of the fun things on this spread. I really love how this looks. And I also think it's really cool because the balloons have stars in them. So that also goes along with our theme, which again, is just really awesome. I think that this was just the perfect theme for this month. For this week specifically, and I think that's why Lisa Marie chose it for that, because I know she had said that she really loves 4th of July and she really loves all things like to celebrate America, so I think that's so cool. Then we move into Saturday and Sunday, and I forgot to mention, you'll see me scraping my washi cutter, which is just this like scraper that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm pretty sure it's still available at Dollar Tree, by the way, if you are interested in getting it. I know a lot of people ask me about that, but you'll see me scraping the washi cutter along the page, and that's because this washi tape is kind of crappy, I'm not gonna lie, and I didn't use it for this. I don't have any 4th of July washi tape, and I thought that this was perfect to use not only for the star theme but for 4th of July. And I do like the kind of washi that this is. It's like a glittery foil washi. I love it. It's just, it doesn't stick very well, so you have to kind of scrape it along. Now that I've done the basis of the spreads, I'm going to go back through and add the rest of the deco. I've got a couple more of these balloons and bows and a little bit more of the Mickey and Minnie deco, so I'm just trying to figure out where to put that. And then I'm going to go in here and of course do the scraping situation and add the days of the week from my freebies sticker book. And this sticker book I've shared in my sticker book storage album thing. It's from Planner Kate. So these are stickers from Sweet RT Designs. The last thing I'm doing is adding the fork and knife stickers. These are actually from Sammy Lynn Planning for her Hobonichi Weeks kits, and I have absolutely so many of these in my reusable sticker book, so I like to use them in here to track my calories for every single day. So I'm just making sure I have a place to put them in every single spread and figuring out where they need to go and going from there. Alright everyone, that is it for this week in my Hobonichi Cousin Daily pages using the 4th of July deco kits from SweetTPlans. Once again, this is part of our YouTube collab loop group, so if you are interested in joining it, please don't hesitate to either message me or Lisa Marie, who is the mastermind and creator behind these loops, and we all really appreciate her and her super hard work. So if you guys are interested in joining the loops, definitely message either her or me. I will lead you to Lisa Marie so you guys can get involved. These are so much fun to do. I love the different themes that we have going on, and this was just a really cool theme to use, and I just loved the Mickey themed 4th of July things, because if you didn't know, I work for Disney, so having a 4th of July themed Mickey spread just really makes me happy. If you guys like this video and you want to see more from me, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you already are subscribed, hit that notification bell next to my channel name so that you are notified when I post new videos and new content. Please don't forget to check out the next person in our loop. They will be linked in the description box. It will say, here's the link to the next person in our video. And you'll just continue that loop all the way through until you get back to the person you started with. And that means you've completed the loop. And we appreciate all of the comments, likes, subscribes. We really appreciate that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Happy 4th of July if you celebrate it. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys.